First I will listen to you, your questions, sharings, doubts, then lead you into process. Anybody has anything to share, ask, talk, please pick up the mic. Yes.
Hi, Swamiji. I have 3 questions. So I have a question about the Mahabharata. So you know, like Karna, the first of the Pandavas. So I was just wondering, like, why?
No. Karna should not be called as Pandava.
Okay.
He should be called as Kaundeya. Before Pandu entered Kundi's life, Karna was born.
Oh, okay.
So he cannot have the title of
Okay.
Pandava.
Oh, yeah,
He can only
right.
have the title of Kaundeya.
Yeah. So I was just wondering, even though like he was a brother of the Pandavas, like he had such a sucky life, and like nobody realized it until he died. And I was just wondering why, like even the guru.
That is no. That is the way he wanted. Actually, Krishna 3 times goes and asks him, "Please allow me to reveal your Pandava." Means you are Kaundeya, you are Pandava's elder brother, and you are son of Kundi. Karna took this as a boon from Krishna, not to reveal.
Oh, why? I was just.
Maybe he wanted to support Duryodhana due to his friendliness with Duryodhana. Actually, Duryodhana and Karna were too intimate.
Too what?
Intimate.
Oh, okay.
They were too intimate and too honest to each other. The high level of integrity with each other they had.
Oh, okay. Okay, my second question was there was this story about Krishna that I never got. So it was like these 2 girls, or this one girl was bathing, and like he took away their clothes and
Not one, some 200.
Why did he do that?
Understand, there is something called Arishat Varka, means 6 major enemies stops you from enlightenment. In that 6 major enemies, shyness is one. The Gopikas have conquered all other patterns. They have surrendered themselves to Krishna, and all other patterns they have conquered. They are in the verge of enlightenment. Only this stupid shyness is stopping them getting enlightened. Nothing else. Their devotion was so ripe and matured. Just this one pattern, if they cross, they will become enlightened. So these guys were taking bath. Krishna goes and steals all the clothes and goes and sits on the tree. Beautifully Vyasa writes, whoever came out of the water, dropping their shyness, came out of the samsara sagara once for all. Came out of the ocean of bondage once for all. Around 200 were bathing. 200 were taking bath. Only 8 came out. That 8 became enlightened immediately. They were the Ashtasakis of Krishna. Only 8 came out. All the 8 became enlightened immediately. So we cannot read the whole incident from our eyes. Read from his eyes. And he is a Divya Sariri. He has no pleasure or pain. Throughout his life, there was no physical relationship. His body is beyond male, female. The action was not out of lust, and it should not even be read with the eyes of lust. And when this whole thing happened, he is only less than 7. Because by 8, he already went to Avantika, means Ujjaini. By 10, he was already in Mathura. He was already in, Mathura. Understand? So, you can't give the sexual color for this action. He is incarnation, Parabrahman, the Purnavatara, Sadashiva himself, the ultimate himself. So he does not need to steal the clothes to see few women naked. You understand?
Because they didn't really explain it when I was reading the story.
Now what I am saying, you should read the original book. The Bhagavatam very clearly describes why, what, the context, getting into the intricate detail is done by the original book Bhagavatam, which is from Vyasa. So maybe if you read this modern translation, it is translated for the purpose of making the whole Hinduism look exotic. They are not interested in the principle. Understand?
Right.
Hmm?
Oh yeah, and one more question. I know you said like
See, so it is too cheap way of interpreting the personality like Krishna, and it is a too cheap accusation on Krishna. How the false accusations are put on our great masters on whom our tradition stands, that's all. See, this whole Rasalila, they try to project like a RG, and the whole thing happened when he was below 7. Even physically, is it possible? Let's talk with some intelligence. Let's not be that stupid. Understand? So it's a beautiful sharing of space, has nothing to do with the lust or sexual act.